just chilling. He don't even understand that I have a hook in him. He saw me. Oh, oh, god dang. Dude, I need the motor. What's up, guys? Where's Captain Quentin? There he is. We just brought the new Silverback micro flipping jigs out here to the salty water. We made them for red breast, but the redfish have been tearing them up. Y'all check this out. Thank y'all. Look at all the bait. I'm casting out of some mullet. Oh, god dang. Dude, I need the motor. Do what? That way. Oh god.
Oh, I just seen a white.
Yeah, dude. It's a good one. Back this way, son. Yeah. Hang on. Turn it off.
I got it off.
Okay. Yeah. He's a track. BFS 8-pound line. Silverback micro jig. Oh, dude. Everything feels heavy on here though. Yep. I could have just foul hooked the mud. Yep. It's awesome. I see a swirl. We should get in this open water. Which way is it going? I just want to see it, dude. I think it's a red, dude. I'm not sure. Chasing him down. Got 8-pound mono going this way into the nasty stuff. I can be done with this after this fish.
We got to get him in though.
We're gonna get him. Just know he's gonna see it and run. It's right in front of us. Is it? Can you see it? What is it? Is it? Heck yeah, dude. Get over that.
Back out that way now.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep him off of those oysters.
Out.
No, he's just right here. He's right here. Oh. I can't do nothing with it, dude. straight out. If I turn the handle, dude, it just clicks. Oh. He said, they chasing me with that boat right there. I don't want to horse him. That'll be my biggest BFS fish so far.
They don't get as tired as quick on BFS.
No. Literally, we got 50 yards of 8-pound line on here. Dude, he's just... super nasty stuff. He knows where he's going too, don't he? Oh, here he comes. Oh,
yeah, I'd rather you come back over here than over there.
yeah. He's a pretty good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, look at that, boy.
Uh-oh. Turn your head back here, buddy. There's like no drag on these things.
Yes.
Yes, dude.
He broke my net.
he broke my net. Oh, look in his mouth, dude. What's that, Queen? What's that?
That's that BFS. That's that Silverback micro jig.
Dude, that is sick. All right, we just got our first overslot red on the Silverback micro jig. Yeah, nice. Did a like an electric chicken color. This thing's a 1/8 tungsten. Catch red breast and redfish. That's sick, dude.
See what he measures.
$27.
27.
Hang on. Oh. Nice little 20. Look at that. Oh, he's got a triangle. And he's got a heart. Plus he loves satilla feeding outdoors and the silverback jig. Let's let her go. Oh, okay. See you later, buddy. That was awesome. Cool deal. Yeah. Be a nice little spot we can come gig too if we ever want to. Oh, oh. Got a fish on the BFS. Oh god.
Runner.
Yep.
Hang on. Oh, there's another one. There's a red. There went another one, just went right here.
Catch him, dude.
Nah, dude.
I can work him.
Get after this.
What we gonna do about the net situation? Oh, he's coming back this way. Excuse me.
I'll fix some of it while you hold it.
Dude, this is ridiculous.
No, this is not.
I'm saying like this is good ridiculous. Oh, I about to spill in. Did it? Pink and chartreuse, baby. I want to see it. Have you seen it? Oh, sorry. Dude, I love product testing.
Yeah.
Like it's,
They're just gonna go around on the line.
8-pound line. Shimano Curado BFS. Dobyns Ultra Finesse rod. He just feels heavy. Which a daggone pound bluegill feels giant on it. Oh, I saw a flash.
Which way he's going. Yeah.
I couldn't tell if he was as big as the other one or not.
I couldn't even really see him.
I mean, he feels heavy, dude.
It looked like a red.
Come on. At least whenever I pick up, I know the drag slip.
Yeah.
Got all of 50 yards of 8-pound line on here.
I can look and see how much the line stretched.
Yeah, it's rough. I never would have thought we'd be out here BFS fishing in the salt. Well, our medium light spinning gear is pretty daggone like ultralight red fishing. We found a boogie board. The sea turtles on it. Save the sea turtles. Oh. He's about to come up. Oh, don't hit the boat.
Oh, if we get from the side of that boat, though.
Yeah, it's over.
Let's see if I can make that.
No, it's don't. I would.
Hang on. Let me just try to turn around.
Thank you. I still ain't really seen it, dude. Okay, he just got mad. Ooh, I just felt something. Oh, dude.
So light colored over here compared to when we're catching one of those spots.
Oh, oh. He saw me. Some strong line, dude. Turn your head, turn your head, turn your head. Oh, got some pretty spots. He's not quite as big as the other one.
I don't know.
The other one was what, 27?
Yeah.
Oh, he's pretty long then. Yes, sir. I like how our net just closes up on
We
him.
hung him way over there. Over there.
Way over there. Hung into him, had to chase him. We got 50 yards of 8-pound line. That's my phone ring. Oh. Hey, can I call you right back? Yep. All right, bye. Bye. All right, guys. Let's see here.
Got the blue on it.
Yeah, dude, he's beautiful. No, I'm just trying to see where he's hooked. Look at that. It's another one. Silverback micro flipping jig. Use 8-pound line. Come on. That hook is so strong. Look at that. That's two. I ain't measured this one yet, but I know it's overslot. That's 2 overslot reds.
Hook still looks perfect.
Hook still perfect, dude. Strongest hook ever. It's a itchy something hook. Oh. Look how pretty, dude. Look at all the colors. That's some pretty spots. Dude, this one's got a heart too. Both the redfish have hearts on them because they love us. Oh, I just fell. 26 to the tip of the tail. All right, that's a 26 and a 27. Or a silverback micro flipping jig. We just out here playing. Said we're gonna bring them just to mess with, but if they eat them, we'll use them. See you, buddy. This right here is beautiful. Oh, there's fish. But he hit it out here.
Found it.
Heck yeah, dude. BFS flounder. Oh, broke my line up here, dude.
What now? What was micro jig called?
Micro jig is called flounder, trout, catfish, stingray, overslot reds. Can I borrow your pliers? Alright. Try the jumbo with a chartreuse tail.
Oh, there's something right there. What was it? What was it?
There's another one, dude.
Where's he at?
Straight up front.
What was it? Red?
Yep. I saw them feeding, dude. I think they're just off of this stuff. I just saw it. I'm about out of line. Straight, he's way. He's that way. this way.
I think something right here.
Yeah.
I'm glad I didn't go there.
Well, it would have been fun. Yeah.
I saw all these clouds of mud.
Yep. I saw, like, dude, they were just
As
like.
soon as you said something, I seen a flash, but I couldn't tell what it was.
Oh, here he is, dude. Here he is.
Oh, there's another one. Dang.
I'm just chilling. He don't even understand that I have a hook in him.
Dude, that other one was swimming right there with him still.
Yep.
Coming back or not?
No.
Dude, the other one, whenever I finally seen yours,
Yeah.
that other one was still right there with you.
He looked bigger too.
I couldn't tell. All I saw was bugs.
I can't really hurry. This is so much fun. Me touching it. Come this way, dude. Hey, come. Dude, that P line strong. 8-pound mono. Strong. Here it goes. Back over here. I'm horsing him a little more. There you go.
Another one.
Bait finesse is the greatest thing ever created. Dude, he swallowed it in that 8-pound P-line mono. Like, there's a little abrasion on it, but not much. Dude, that's so cool.
BFS?
3 with the BFS. Gone. See you, buddy. Where? Oh. Oh. Fish, dude, fish. Oh, man. On the BFS. Oh no, he's out here. On 8-pound line. No. He's out here. Get the net ready. What? Are you kidding me?
What is it?
A stingray.
Is it really?
Yeah. Yeah. Measurements.
Big one or little one?
It's on BFS. I snagged him. Is that what you saw?
Might have been. I thought it was something, but then when I looked again, I see nothing.
BFS out here. Saltwater fishing. See you, buddy. It was fun though. My first stingray on BFS gear. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will. Dad's got a list back there on what to put up for who. Yes, sir. Thank you, buddy.
I appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir. Oh,
He hooked up, son.
I'm on the BFS cricket.
He's on the BFS and hooked up with one.
Yep.
I think.
Oh man.
He looks like.
Oh yeah. He's.
All right, let me holler back up.
Dude, on the BFS setup.
That's a little trap.
Man, don't say it's a little trout. It's good for this. He fought hard.
Something to the floor down here.
13. On the BFS, that's cool though. He fought hard.